it fun. Just laugh and sing, but while we're apart, don't give your heart to just another. Don't forget it's taking you far, in his arms you're gonna be. Sing the last dance for me. Don't forget it's taking you far, and in his arms you're gonna be. So darling, sing the last dance for me. Baby, sing the last dance for me. Please say the last dance for me. Sing the last dance for me.
Papasyal ako doon sa ano, hindi pa nakakapasyal doon eh.
Saan?
Hindi, sa Negara.
Oh, sana nga.
Ilang minuto rito na kuya?
45 minutes yata. Pero hindi ko alam kasi hindi ba ako taga rito.
30 minutes.
Mga 45 minutes.
Tama ka tayo.
Well, oo, pwede. Kami ni Aileen, oo naman.
Lahat tayo nila, Mary.
Kahit tayo. Pwede
Pwede
pa
iwanan
naman
yung mga credit card nyo.
Bakit?
Mapaslubong yun.
Ay, may maamoy na naman. Ha? Sorry, alam ko yung amoy yung meron.
Oh, ito yung susunod?
Oh my gosh. Thank you, my life.
I know, he played together.
How are the performances? Tinuro sa akin paano mag-live. Kailangan kami ng wipe ng cellphone mo. Para makita mo yung nangyayari. Tinuro sa akin nung one nung nakilala ko yun. How much are the cartridges? 130. Pero matagal eh. Yung 30 mo pagka umad lang eh. Wala, about 2-3 days tapos na eh. Yung umad mo eh. Iyan eh. Once na nag-COVID yun eh, hinto ka na eh. Ito, ganito. Oh. Nabigyan pa akong tabo na hindi ko mong gusto. Magaling tao yun. Nakakalibre. Nakakalibre. Ha? Dito ko nito eh. Yung pinukulang ko sila. Tapusin ko lang yun bago mag-umpisa yan. What? I'm going to go wrong. Okay? Good? You bring, give me this money home.
Huh?
Give me gas money home.
What's that?
Gas money home.
What's that?
Gas money home.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm fucking broke. My car was acting up. And I tripped many times and bought different parts. Yo, shout out. Shout out. Strong. How are you?
Good, how about you?
Okay. Kihal. Kihal. Kihal, yeah.
बढ़िया
अच्छा. Assalamualaikum, no? I see the one before last night. It lights up, huh?
lights up, yeah.
Tonight, I see that tonight. So, what are you selling?
This is crystal.
Uh-huh.
Crystal stones. Crystal products. These are the bracelet for different
Oh.
types of stones.
Okay. Look good. I like that. Maybe tonight, maybe people will buy that.
Yeah, you're
When
gonna
it
sell
get dark.
Yeah, you will see a lot of lights in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Wait, $5 lang. $5. One stop good.ca. Oh. $5. Okay, $3. You need a wallet. So one stop goods. Hmm? Oh, look at this. Those are bags, right?
Yes po.
And cute lunch box. And then bags, sort of bags that people that you might like. Wait. Yan. Tapos yan, kanilang one stop goods. Ha? Kapag ganyan.
Okay. Thank you, Kuya.
Masak ng cars. Ipet gems and trinkets. Mga mahilig sa mga jewelry, mga small and this last sort. So, ito yung makikita nyo rito sa Taste of Philippines, Hamilton at Gates Park. Once again, Ibet, James, and no phone number. Oy, DJ Alano. Dako. Yan. Mga gustong bumili ng mga realty. Max. So, hi. Ayan po, ayan o, Jane Alano. Mabuhay daw. Ayan, buhay. Yan. Ano po yan? Ano po yan? Mortgage agent level 2 and realtor. Independently own and manage directly. And number 289-700-3495. The office number is 905-385-9200. And .home at outlook.com. Remax Center, yan yung number. Kung you guys are interested, andyan po. Diba?
One-stop shop po. One-stop shop.
Oh, one-stop shop yan.
Broker
Oh.
and realtor.
Oh, one-stop shop daw. Oh. Wala ka nang ibang hanapin.
Wala na.
Wala.
Good or bad credit. Pasok.
Mabuhay, Pilipinas.
Buhay. Bigyan namin kayo. Bigyan namin kayo nito. Sige po.
There's a beautiful girl there. She's got a good smile. And so inviting. Okay, I want a tattoo over here. No tattoo. It looks like a tattoo place, you know. What is it? Oh, a CD.
Yeah, so Red Bob is playing tonight at the band shell.
Oh, I heard that night.
Yeah. And then we just have a couple other CDs and posters.
Mm. I've graduated in that. Long ago. During the 70s. During the 70s. Headbangers. Yeah, I heard them last night and they were good.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were good. So
Jello
this,
played.
yeah. So, ayan. Those who's interested, mga friend, ayan sila. And your name is?
I'm Shay. Shay.
Shay? Hi, Shay. Thank you, Shay.
See you around.
Okay, lovely Asian and Filipino goods. No? Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Mga Filipino goods talaga. Ayan. Kita mo yung, ano, yung palayok? Ayun sa baba. Ah, oo. Kami problema sa palayok, andito na. Tapos, meron pa silang sardinas, oh. Sardinas nga ba? Oh, yan, yan. Pagka... Kailangan ko lang. Hindi, kailangan... It's okay na... Mula.
Model mo muna, kuya.
Ah. Hello, magandang umaga. Ay, magandang hapon pala.
Asian.
Ha? Happy Independence Day. Belated. And mabuhay Pilipinas. Mabuhay Taste of Philippines in Hamilton. Yeah. Ayun, ang sexy ng mga mga damit sa likod. Ang ganda din yung back yung sa likod. Ay, harapan pala yun. Side, naka-side naman. Ang ganda. Ganda ng damit doon sa taas, oh. Oh, bagay sa'yo yan. Ito, nasa Lovely Asian and Filipino goods. Tayo, ayan. Yan yung kanilang, pero maganda yung kanilang kwan, ha? Mga damit na yun, no? Tapos mo mag-swimming. Oh, may banego. Oh. May banego. Mga bag. Hello! Ha? Isa lang? Oh. Kaya pala. Lovely Asian Filipino goods.
Lovely Asian Filipino goods, lovely kusina. So, that's one company.
Anong saan ang place nyo? Meron kayong
We have Facebook page.
okay. Pero a restaurant, you know, where you can eat.
We just do catering right now.
Oh.
We have hot food every weekend in our store in Cambridge.
Cambridge.
Yeah.
So, okay.
So you can guys order.
Okay, tell your people, Cambridge people, that you have a place in Cambridge that you can order.
Take out food every weekend only. But hopefully it's gonna be like 7 days a week. Probably at 4 to 6 months.
So you do cater.
Yeah. We also do catering. And
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
gonna expand to like catering with whole family. That's our next project.
And if you want to order something,
Yeah, you can order.
is there a number that you can call?
Yeah, just call 519-650-8989 or follow us on Facebook page, Lovely Asian and Filipino Goods, Instagram, TikTok. Ayan, follow niyo po kami guys and order.
Yeah, lovely Kusina.
Yeah, my Lovely Asian and Filipino Goods. Actually, this is our first time to do a food demo.
It's the first time also,
Yeah, first time today.
and also the
Yeah, first time to become a food vendor. We're doing the hot food for 3rd year, but this is our first time to become a food vendor.
thank you. Very good, thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Ano pa dapat siniserve nyo? Ngayon, ano siniserve nyo?
We have laing, ito laing,
Oh, yeah, laing, yeah.
sinantulan, yeah, sinantulan po siya.
Aha.
And we have dinuguan,
Uy, paborito ko.
yes, and we have sisig,
Aha.
chami, special of Quezon, buko pandan po. We have buko pandan,
Ah, yun, sarap na yun.
and we have ito,
Oh,
barbecue,
barbecue.
vegetable, and corn spring roll.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Those, yeah. Keep in mind yung number. Ha?
And of course, halo.
And sa halo-halo. Meron pa pala halo-halo. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
this is our saleable for today. Halo-halo. Thank you.
Ano to? Maharlika. That's not a password to you?
Maharlika.
Is that a password?
Ha?
Is that a password? Oh, ah? That's a password. Pero if you don't understand the password, then it's okay.
Hindi ko get to it. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Saan ka na pala sa atin?
Quezon.
Quezon.
That's why we have chami,
Ha?
Sinantunan and Laing.
Shout out sa mga taga Quezon. Dala nila yung kanilang goods dito sa Hamilton. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we'll go to the garbage area also. Ayan, no? And you guys manage the garbage. Do you manage the garbage? No wonder. Why are people sitting there by the garbage? Why they like the smell of it? Wow. So you separate the garbage. Like okay, tell me.
Like, these are the recycling, compost, and these are the plastic.
Uh-huh. And if people come and they have the container,
Yeah.
and then what will you say? Is that full? Or,
You can put
if they just gonna throw it like that, or just like this. Huh? This one, this is a look at the spoon in there. You win a prize if you know where to throw them.
That's our job to tell them which one is plastic, which one is
All right, thank you guys. And your name?
Hadi.
Adi.
Yeah.
Shout out to Adi.
Yay!
Yes.
Let's go.
And this guy.
My name is Guy. We got Cavs right here.
And this cute looking guy.
NJ.
MJ. Hello, man.
Is that live?
No, I'm vlogging it. Facebook, YouTube. It depends. It depends if it's how short it is. I'll probably put it in video.
Hey, you have a card?
YouTube. This is YouTube.
Oh, yo, you have a shirt. Oh. Yo, that's cool.
Yeah, see the control box? You can search that in on Facebook also. The hashtag.
Hashtag.
Hashtag and then control box.
Okay.
You'll see the spelling. The spelling of the control box on this on your picture. So thanks guys.
Thank you, bye.
So shout out to the guys that how we say love the protecting us. You know how you say that?
Oh, bodyguard?
No. Green people. You know, like composting. You know, like huh? I don't know what to say, man. But guess anyway. Guess. Yeah. I see this in YouTube. But I don't can't believe that I'm watching in real now.
Gotta take yours.
Look how they do it.
That's mine.
But anyway, see, look at that. An ice cream. An ice cream. And then spread it on the plate and it becomes more frozen. And you spray it. And there's the and people loving it, and look at all the lined up over here. And it's cold. then there's like variety of them how you want it. Mango Madness, Taro Time, Cookie Monster, Cookies Drink, Cafe Suwada. What is that? Candy Crush. Yeah. A constant shopping. Depressing.
Sorry po.
Oh, ship Kokoy. Philippine Restaurant and Catering 437-772-3023 327 Butter Street North York. Chef Kokoy. Ayan, tingnan natin ang selection ni Kokoy. Sit from here. Palikod tayo. Well, looks yummy. Yan, may mango. Chef Kokoy. Punta naman sa kabila. Rico's Classic Inihaw. Eraserhead. Ito po may tours. Yung Eraserhead. Ang muling Bimbo World Tour. Great Canadian Casino Resort. So keep in mind, save the date, July 21st. Mabuhay Pilipinas!
Mabuhay na kuya!
Mabuhay Taste of Philippines! Philippines! Ayan, kumakain siya ng halo-halo from Rico. Ayan ang kanilang pan. kanilang, ang sarap ng kanilang karatula, oh. Picture pa lang, eh. Talagang gaganahan ka ng kumain. Picture ng pagkain. And Rico's House of Authentic Filipino Cuisine. They're at 866 Mohawk Road East, Hamilton, Ontario. Ayan, saka 905-574-1818. So, ayan, nakikita nyo naman, hindi na kailangan sabihin. Nakikita nyo naman. Ako ba yan, oh. Ano mo magkagandahan dito, sa park na to? Walang langaw. Wala ka nakikitang langaw. Kaya, masarap kumain. Punta naman natin yung barbecue nila. Ayan, mga luto na. Shout out, sir! Yun! Sir, say mabuhay! Mabuhay! So we are at another place. Mukhang pinapasok nila. Okay. Tropang Ilonggo. Tropang Ilonggo. Ayan pala yung pagkain nila. So, may mga picture. Baka kumain na, kain na ako. Yung
Camera mo sa screen.
Oo.
Umandar na?
I mean, naka-full serve na siya, pero
May kumakanta na.
pero nakukuha ko naman siya rito eh.
Ano ko mo?
Naririnig siya. Hindi, shout out ko naman.
Hindi ako teenager. Bye guys! Ano po ating photographer, videographer, Secret Chino.
At siya rin ay taga Winnipeg. Dala nila yung kanilang aso. Vancouver pa yan, ha?
Oo nga eh.
Oo.
Long drive pa kami. Dami ng tao, grabe.
Mm.
Datingan. Kasi mainit kanina.
Maaga pa masyado kasi. Kanina.
Nakakasulog na ako eh.
Ako man?
Ay guys. Tulog na si Noy.
Kaya ako, mas maraming ibang mas maraming ang foreign beer kaysa Filipino. This is good, yeah.
They can try our Filipino food.
Taste of Philippines nga.
Naman ang taba ako dito. Nagtaka pa eh. Kain ng kain eh. Nagtataka pa.
Shout out, sir. Mabuhay.
Hi guys. Welcome to Facebook.
Taga Vancouver, oh, nagagawa na akong trabaho. Joke.
Sinulubo ko kasi nakakahiya. Kahit kasi ako nakain.
Shout out po.
Baka mabody shame ako.
Mabuhay Pilipinas. Okay. Thank you. How tall are you? How tall are you?
5'7".
Oh my. Thank you.
Hi kabayan! Welcome to Hamilton, Taste of the Philippines. Pag may time kayo, visit kayo dito. Dami mga tao, dahil pagkain, mga Filipino foods available here. 4 to 5 p.m. magpe-play yung band na kasama namin dito. All 90s Filipino music soundwave band.
Yeah, that's good.
Subscribe kayo sa channel ni Kuya.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Ano problema?
Maharlika. When? Cook lang, I mean ginger ale lang ako. Kanina pa akong kwan eh. I-comment chance mo na sa kanila.
I don't know, sinong charge doon si Kuliantes?
Kulyante, so.
Okay, tatawagan ko siya. Nasa kanya yung number.
So, isa lang.
Total ko na lang. I just gonna sit and tired.
Okay, so how's business? How's business? Marami na akong pinuntahan na katukan.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, how's business?
We still keep kicking.
Good. Huh. Yeah. And it's gonna be every year now.
Yes.
Taste of Philippines in Hamilton will be.
Alright.
Ayan, at saka
Bye.
ang kanyang, wala yung kanyang, ang harapan ba? Yung logo mo. Yo! Uy, tinapa oh. Ayan mo, ayan. May tinapa. May baguko. Ano ko? Goat adobo. Algareta, kilawen, papaitan. Are you Filipino? You're Filipino?
What?
Are you Filipino? No. Why are you looking at yaki food?
Yaki food.
yeah. Good joking. They're great. You know. Goat, if you like goat, huh? You like goat? Okay. There's a goat. Oh, goat.
Oh.
Those are all gold over there.
Gusto ni Miling ng hotdog?
And their barbecue also. Eh? Tapos punta natin yung banda. Natapos na, ay hindi pa patapos si lechon. YouTube.
Here, video.
Ha? Ah. Shout out. You know how to shout out?
Pardon?
You know how to shout out YouTube? Shout out something you like. You know.
Po, ang ganda ng park niyo dito.
Hmm?
Ang ganda ng park niyo dito.
Park nila. Ibisita rin ako. Saan ka
Ay,
sa?
okay.
Saan ka ba?
Parampton din.
Malayo no, Nagadayo.
Inyo po.
Ha?
Saan inyo?
North Shore.
Dito sa Toronto.
Toronto. Punta ka Brampton ako dati.
Lapit lang.
Ha?
Lapit lang po siya.
Saan kayo sa Brampton?
Sa may Mayfield.
Uy,
Mas malayo.
malalim. Bolton.
Kanta umagay. Kanta daw siya.
Pwede. Bolton.
Malapit lang.
Mayfield. Pero anong one? Kennedy, Mayfield.
Mayfield at Credit View.
Ha?
Credit View.
Yeah. Okay. Pussy Road.
Kanap lang naman.
Yung Pussy Road magiging credit
Credit View.
view, di ba?
Oo. Parang ganon.
Look at she got a good smile, got the leg. So those are t-shirts. Okay. I'm going there now. I think that's the last. Good. I'm going there now.
Thank you very much, guys. We'll have a good night. If you like our stuff, go check us out on Spotify or whatever platform you prefer. I just want to remind you, we got beautiful Angela over there selling you if you want some very cool t-shirts of a cowboy. It's the last song. It's called Precipitation Girl. So you guys have- I feel so close to you. Can I see you later? Let me come through. Rush your blood to my head. Love it when you push me closer to the edge. Leaning on to our conversation. I will call you closer to the action. Happy to fall. My precipitation, my precipitation. I feel so close to her. Nothing that could keep me feeling unsure. Lost the block to my head. Love it when you push me closer to the edge. Leaning on to our conversation. I will call you closer to the action. Happy to fall. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, guys, let's have a big hand for these guys. And have a good night. I like these guys.
I like the third to the last song. Have a good night. Oh. Oh. You guys have YouTube?
Come by our booth. We're going to be hanging out over there. My wife.
Go for it. Yeah.
let me introduce to you Bomb.
Must be on my way. Try is growing near. Train is coming. See it in your eyes. Love that need your tears. 'Cause I'll be lonely without you. I need your love to see me through. So please believe me, my heart is in your hand. I'll be missing you. You know it's you, babe. Then right in there in babe, I love you. Babe, I love you. Babe, I'm leaving. Say it once again. Somehow I try to smile. I know the feelings you're trying to forget. The only for a while. 'Cause I'm lonely without you. And I need your love to see me through. So please believe me, my heart is in your hand, and I'll be with you. Babe, I love you. Thank you.